Carrie, thanks so much for coming by to talk about low-level laser therapy and what iRESTORE with its Lumitech can do for people who are suffering with hair loss.
I'm happy to do it, Danny.
So the question is, does it really work?
Yes. For most types of hair loss, there are thousands of scientific studies on red light therapy's positive effects on hair loss caused by genetics, hormones, stress, or even after giving birth. iRESTORE has also done its own clinical studies and shown incredible results as well. That's why it's the best-selling device online.
Carrie, why does iRESTORE use both lasers and LEDs?
Well, let me show you. It's easier to see with this paper lining, but the devices which only use lasers like this, well, they have many gaps, leaving hair follicles untreated and with incomplete coverage. But iRESTORE's Lumitech has both. LEDs offer broader coverage, while lasers provide deeper and more targeted spot treatment. So do you see how lasers and LEDs combined deliver complete coverage so that no hair follicles are left untreated?
Wow, yeah, I do. So why is iRESTORE better than other brands?
Well, it's the top-rated and the only device to combine lasers and LEDs. And its patented extended scalp coverage helps to maximize the area of treatment. Not to mention they use the highest quality materials, so they're durable and long-lasting.
Yeah, this is pretty flimsy.
Oh.
Carrie, what are the key differences between the Pro and the Elite?
Well, the Elite device boasts 500 diodes compared to the Pro's 282, making it the most powerful option. It delivers more light energy in half the time of the Pro, thanks to its cutting-edge triple wavelength technology and special VCSEL lasers that provide greater scalp coverage and enhanced follicle stimulation.
Can I combine iRESTORE with other treatments?
Absolutely. In fact, doctors recommend doing everything you can together to get the best results. Some combine with drugs like minoxidil and finasteride. However, we find the best approach is to a drug-free one like iRESTORE's hair care line. It's made with high-quality, clean, and effective ingredients, and these vegan and gentle formulas enhance light therapy results without compromising your health.
Wow, it sounds like iRESTORE is a no-brainer for anyone who's suffering from hair loss and thinning. How do we get started?
It's easy. Take the quiz now and get your hair and confidence back with iRESTORE.